Alright, so for number 8, it says most cars have lights, power locks, radios, and other equipment that use electricity. Electric circuits power this equipment. Each circuit has a fuse, which are these ones right here, that completes it. The picture below shows one type of fuse a car may have. Okay, now I know it's talking about electric circuits, so that's light energy. And I know that if it's open, it's broken. If it's closed, it flows. So which of these describes one thing that could happen if the wire in a car burns out? So one of them is gonna burn out. It's showing me right here. F. The car's light will burn brighter. What? No, that's not gonna happen. It's not gonna work anymore. The car's radio would not work. Yes, that could be one thing that would happen. The car's turn signal will blink too slowly. I'm not sure about that one because it's just not gonna work. Just straight up, not gonna work. The car's power windows will open faster. No, absolutely not. The only answer is G. It's not going to work because it's broken. Okay? Alright, question number 9. It says the picture below shows a child in a swimming pool. White was the lower part of the child appears so much different in size. It looks larger, right? Looks larger from the upper part. This is the upper part right here. It says because the light rays that travel through water and then into air are refracted. Ooh, retraction bends. And I know that if they're going here, then they're going to refract and they're going to bend again. So that could be an explanation. The lights that travel through water and then into air are enlarged. They're not enlarged. They get bent. So B is not my answer. C, the light rays that travel through air and then into water are reflected. Ooh, reflection is bounce, and that's not what's happening there. The light rays that travel through air and then into water are reduced. They are not reduced. The only answer is refraction because refraction bends, and what happened is it traveled through different mediums. Okay? All right, next question, number 10. It says some students paint the inside of several boxes. They paint each box a different color. They observe that inside of the box painted white looks brighter, okay, the white looks brighter than others. What is the most likely reason this box looks brighter? More light is reflected off white paint. Ooh, that is true, because more light is bouncing off white paint. More light is refracted by white paint. Oh, no, that's bent, and that's not what it's asking me. More light passes through white paint. That is only if it's like clear. More light is absorbed. Oh, absolutely not. That is only if it was black paint. Black paint absorbs water, so my only answer is F. Okay, next one. This model shows a special glass fiber that is thinner than some metal's wire. Then light enters the one end of the fire and it moves through the wire as it's shown. So it's going boom, 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 boom. After the light leaves the fiber, so after it leaves right here, it travels light travels in a straight line. It's not going to travel back into the fiber. What? It's not going to do around the fiber. No, or in a curve. It always, your answer is in a straight line. It's always going to travel in a straight line. Okay. All right, 12. It says a diagram looks into a mirror and sees an image of an object. Which diagram shows an X where the object is most likely located? Now, I know this is the mirror. Nothing is going to be right here. You cannot see what's behind the mirror. So absolutely H or J cannot be my answer because I cannot look what's behind the mirror. That's not possible. Now, let's see what's angle in equals angle out. Now, let's see. Up, that's angle in, angle out. That makes sense. Now, let me see here. Oh, that don't make any sense. That's not the same angle that it came in. So my answer is G because angle in equals angle out. Okay, again, you cannot see what's behind here. That's not possible. The object cannot be placed there. Okay, next one. It says, the diagram below shows a fish being viewed from above the water. The fish appears to be closer to the surface than it really is. What caused the difference? Well, I know if it looks closer to it, it's not going to get bounced off. It's going to get bent. That's why it looks different, or it looks closer, right? Not going to be focused or blocked. My answer is B. It's going to get refracted. Okay, number 14. In 1859, Henry Purcell published a book of hand shadows. The picture below shows one of these hand shadows. Which property of light makes it possible to produce hand shadows? Okay, now I know that these hands are going to absorb or stop light. We saw it in one of our questions. That's what happens when light is going to go into this hand and it's going to absorb it or stop it. Nothing's going to go behind these hands. Now, which property makes this possible? Not refraction, because refraction bends, and it's not going through different mediums. Light is a form of energy. It is, but that's not the reason why you produce hand shadows. Light travels in straight lines. Yes, I know Ms. Cerecero said it over and over and over again. So this is my answer. Light can be separated into different colors? No. Only when that is going to go through a prism or through a water droplet. Remember, we talked about rainbows. Only if that happens, but this is not the case right here. All right, and then lastly, this was an open-ended question. The diagram above shows a light ray path approaching a prism. Describe what happens as light passes through the prism. It is going to refract or bend. Some of you said also that it's going to slow down, then it's going to go in another direction and bend. Slowing down or a moving of different speeds, that's correct as well. But I was looking for the word refract or bend. Okay.